In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase. So step number one is to open up Coinbase, and you will need to already know which cryptocurrency you are going to be sending. So I'm just going to sign into my account. So then in the Coinbase app, what you want to go ahead and do is click on transfer, and then here click on receive crypto. So for me right now it's set to my Polkadot wallet automatically, but I can just click on the drop down next to the current cryptocurrency. And then here it will show a list of cryptocurrencies. So for example, if I want to transfer Bitcoin from crypto.com to Coinbase, then here I'm going to select Bitcoin. And now here I will see my Bitcoin address. Now for the network right here, you can see it's set to Bitcoin, but I can also select Lightning. But I'm just going to keep it to Bitcoin. And then I need to remember that on crypto.com, I also need to use the Bitcoin network. So right here, I'm now going to open up crypto.com. And then what you want to go and do is in the top left, click on the three lines. Then here, click on your crypto wallet. And now here you can see I have 28 euros and 55 cents in Bitcoin. So I'll click on my Bitcoin right here and then click on transfer. Now click withdraw. And now click on external wallet. Now if you have not yet withdrawn money before, just click on the plus in the top right and then click wallet address. And then here for the network, you will see here it's also the BTC network, which is the one that I picked on Coinbase. Then here paste in the wallet address from Coinbase. And then for the wallet name, I'll just name it Coinbase BTC and click continue. Now enter your passcode. Now I already have this wallet address, so I'll just click on the already existing one for me and then click confirm and withdraw. Then here choose how much you would like to withdraw. You can just click on max right here and then it will select the maximum that you own. And then go and click on withdraw. Now you will see that the minimum for Bitcoin specifically is 0.0012. So therefore I do not have enough right now, but this differs per cryptocurrency. But after you confirm it, it will then show up in your Coinbase wallet. So now you know how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Coinbase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.